what should your dating profile show? You really want to showcase who you are uniquely, right? You want to showcase what makes you different than everybody else. Just choosing the photos from your phone that you just recently took is not going to be the way to do it. In my coaching program, I give the 6 photo archetypes that you want to have on your profile, but really think about what sets me apart from other people. What do I like to do? What are my interests that are unique to me that maybe not everybody in the world likes to do? And how can I showcase that in a way that really stands out from the competition? And don't try to appeal to the masses. If you want everyone to like you, your profile is going to be really forgettable. It's more about finding that small group of people that really resonate with who you are and really are deeply compatible with uniquely you. So you want to showcase that on your profile, whether it's in photos or in what you write. What are your interests that are unique? Like, for example, I really like to play chess. Not everybody like me, the age and gender likes to play chess. So that's something that sets me apart from other women. You want to think about those things that are really unique to you. What are your favorite movies? What type of music do you listen to? Really getting specific about that stuff, and even your favorite foods and things, is going to set you apart from other people who maybe don't like those things. And it's totally okay if you're turning off people who don't resonate with that, because you're not compatible with those people. You don't want to match with them anyway. So get really specific and really showcase who you are uniquely and authentically, and you'll pull those people to you that are a match for you while you push away the people who are not. And that's really the goal of a dating app.